maybe.
Which one good machine? This one good? This one good working? Number one? Okay, then I go there, you are here. Huh? Because there too much water coming here, no problem here.
That goes there, no problem.
That's why I gave you this machine.
If you want to go to Australia, no problem. What's the message?
You can accept the start. Too much coming.